Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me. So we're looking at the Cybertruck accessories today. So a few things you're going to want to get when you first get your Cybertruck are some good floor mats and a good phone holder. This is the non-foundation series. It doesn't have the all-weather floor mats. So the mats that it comes with, you see, they're kind of like they're kind of like a carpet, I guess. I don't know. They're not really all-weather though. They wouldn't be like waterproof if you got like, rain, mud, slush from snow, things like that. So they are decent, but they're not like an all-weather mat. So we got some cool ones from Hansshow we're going to install in here. We have a 6-piece mat that we're going to do in the front trunk, the front row, second row, the bed, and the sub-trunk in the bed. So we got 6 different mats we're going to put in here. The factory floor mat in the back, they stay in there pretty good. But like I said, they're not all-weather. So let me show you the piece that we have that we're getting from Hansshow that we're going to get put in here. All right, so starting here in the back, this is the sub-trunk area. So in the very back of the truck bed, there's a compartment that lifts up. This is a little mat for that area. This is the bed mat. This is going to take up the entire bed of the truck. It's going to be kind of like a bed liner. Nice heavy-duty rubber mat that we're going to put in there to help protect the bed against scratches and things kind of rolling around. And then this is our second row mat. This is going to be for kind of the back passengers. If it's underneath the seats, it's got these nice ridges to it. So if like water gets spilled on this, muddy or snowy feet, it's just going to stay on here, and you can come in here and just pull it out and clean it really easily. Here's our 2 front row, so driver and passenger. And it even has a mat for the front, which is the front trunk. All right, the nice thing, the Cybertruck has this drop-down tailgate, and then the tonneau cover with a push of the button just retracts out of the way. So here's how this sub-trunk one works. So there's a nice cool compartment right down in here, and in this there is a little drain plug. So there's a little hole here to fit around that drain plug. Okay, this fits in there really nicely. We've got our drain plug, it fits there, so this could drain things out. If you get anything wet in there, you can just drain that stuff out. Put my stuff back in there. All right, there's mat number 1. The second one we're going to do is the bed mat. So for this entire bed, now from the factory, it's like a hard plastic material, almost like it's already a bed liner. But we're going to put that down here to kind of protect this. All right, let's slide this in there. That fits really good. All right, there's a couple areas that are cut out right here. And in my truck, I don't have these tie-down points. They didn't come from the factory like that. I can add them, but I don't have them already installed. But they are already pre-cut for those trucks that have those tie-down points. So this is a nice mat. It's going to help things, just going to help keep this look a little nicer as you're throwing things back into the back here. Fits really nice. Fits really nice along the corners here, all the way around the edges. Second row mat. This is all one piece, so it's going to help keep this area waterproof, help keep it protected. So this fits very snugly around the seat pillars here, all around here. Even protects up here under the door seal, because this area gets kicked a lot, coming in and out of it. The mat extends underneath the rear seat and will protect the carpets against any cargo that you're carrying on the floor. These mats have a nice non-skid grip surface to them, and the surface cleans up very easily for any kind of spills or dirt that gets on them. All right, so here's the front one. This is the driver's side. This fits really nicely around the contours of these seat legs here, up onto the footrest, down below the brake, and then next to the accelerator pedal, and then it has this nice coverage right around this cargo area here. Passenger side, front passenger side looks also nice. Fits very nicely around all those areas as well. All right, we got our front trunk, or the frunk area, opened up in this truck, and it's got a nice area, kind of a nice long area. This mat's going to fit right in here. Going to help, kind of protect this area as well, kind of provide more for like a more non-skid area, so things in here not going to damage the bottom at all. So push our button there. All right, now for cell phone areas where you can keep your cell phone, this is where you really need like an aftermarket mount like this one from Hansshow. You do have two wireless charging pads here. that are built in, and they kind of have like this kind of soft suede material. You can put your phone there. My phone, I have a ring on the back of my phone case that I like to put up. It doesn't charge through this. If I put this in this wireless charging area, it gets really hot. Here's the mount. This is going to mount behind the screen, and really you can mount it anywhere you want back here. There's a flat area all the way back here, and so if you mount it there, it's going to allow the phone to kind of be really in any area we want it to be. Ideally, like right there would be good. So it just has a 3M adhesive. We would put that on there, and then it has a wireless charging mount that we can put on, and we just unscrew that. We can pop that on, and then it does have a plug. So it has USB plug, USB-C plug here, and if we were able to run the wire, we could run it down in. Now there is USB-C charging inside of this center console area. There's not. It would be cool if Tesla had some kind of like plug back here, like a USB-C outlet behind the screen somewhere, so that we could plug right into there, and then it could just be like wireless in that regard. But so you plug this in, and then your phone would just hook on like that, and it would charge wirelessly through the charging ring here. Adhesive protective cover, and then we're going to put it right here behind the screen and hold it, give it a kind of a firm press for about 30 seconds. It is kind of pressure activated, so we're just going to hold that there. And it is adjustable too, up, down, side to side. I have it at like a 45-degree angle right off the corner here, and I think that's a good spot for it. So I have my phone at least like right there, so that way, like if I have to, send a message or, look up directions or something, I can right here on my phone's available. It's not sitting down here. Also included with the kit here, so here's the charging plug. So the plug's just going to plug right into the ring, and then we would have to find a way to run this to the center console here. The only problem though, this is a USB-A. We'd need a USB-C and USB-C, so we wouldn't be able to use this without an adapter to plug into here. I don't plan on using the wireless charging, because sometimes if you just have a ring on the back of your phone, this isn't charging my phone. I really just want it as a mount. So you can see right there how it sits right there. So that's kind of a good spot for my phone there. And then there is charging. You can run a plug, directly from the USB-C outlet inside of the center console right up to your phone, or you can run it right up to here and it can wirelessly charge it. These are some quality products from Hansshow. I'm excited to use these in my truck. This bed mat's going to be awesome. I'm excited to use that, throw some stuff back here, and just see how durable it is. I'm also excited to use that phone mount. So these are some great products, guys. Be sure to see the link down below. Also, use my discount code to get us some savings. And be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.